Yo, aliens, you already know. I'm about to show you how to index on Windows 11. So there is mad reasons why you would want to index your computer to the enhanced version of indexing. Basically, you're able to go through your whole computer and search up whatever you want to in a quickness. You know what I'm saying? Your computer is going to work a little harder to index and be able to search things up on your bottom taskbar. So for example, I wanted to search up I don't know, launch box, right? I search up LAUNCH box, right? As you can see, it's going to show all the applications here. You can go to apps, it's going to show there. You can go to documents, it's going to show there. You go to web, it's going to search there. Go to settings, it's going to search there, right? So basically all your files are going to show here. Every single one. Let's search up Crash Bandicoot here, right? Crash Bandicoot, right? So, and you might wonder here, like, where's this file? This file is in OneDrive, okay? So not only is my computer searching up on my actual C drive, D drive, E drive, all my other drives, F drive, H drive, right? No, but it's searching up every single drive, right? But it's also searching my OneDrive, which training purposes only, I got the actual disk, ripped it off, took it off the CD drive, put it on my computer so I can emulate, so it's here. But I'm going to show you how to make it where you're able to see it also on your OneDrive and every other file here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the start menu. Okay, you're going to type something in here, whatever, hello, right? There we go. You're gonna hit those three dots right here in the options. You're gonna go to indexing options here, right? And then you're gonna have this window here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to enhance. This is going to search your entire PC, including your OneDrive. I am big on the OneDrive. If you have not seen my previous videos, please go back on my YouTube channel. Go to my my OneDrive videos. There's gonna be way more posted, but OneDrive, man, you can do a lot of things with it. Which one of the things is emulation? Which one of the things is you can go here and enhance it so you can search up things on here. So like I said, I can go search up launch box here, and I can go to applications and I can open, and then bam, it opens up here from OneDrive. But if you do not have it on enhanced, it's not going to show you. It's only going to show you classic, right? It's by default on classic when you get your first Windows 11 computer, so it's not going to show everything on other drives. But once you enhance, you're going to be able to access OneDrive and all those other drives on here. Forget about the power. Don't respect the power settings. We don't care about the power settings. You're not going to keep this computer. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. It's like, nah, but seriously, it doesn't really matter, okay? Especially if you have a desktop. This thing can blow up if you want to, okay? You're going to be good. Change it to enhanced. You know what I'm saying? Search your whole entire computer up. You know what I'm saying? If you want to do that. Now, I'm not sure on Windows 10 if there's any other alien in the building that can put in the comment section, you know, how to do this on Windows 10. Please do. One day I'm going to get real creative and get VirtualBox and start going on other operating systems and show more tech things here. But until then, let's get it, let's go, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Let me know if you have any other questions. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll be here. All right, peace.